Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a fascinating animal, the rabbit. Rabbits are loved by many for their unique features and cuteness, and in this video, we'll explore their unusual behavior, ecology, cultural significance, and more. Rabbits have amazing vision to find food or detect danger from enemies. Their eyes are placed widely apart on either side, giving them a nearly 360-degree field of vision. For example, as a rabbit grazes in a meadow, it can easily detect dangers lurking around it. A rabbit's large ears aren't only just a source of cuteness, but also they serve a number of important functions. The blood vessels in their ears release heat to regulate their temperature, which helps rabbits avoid food poisoning in hot weather. Rabbits' hind legs are very powerful, making them well suited for running and jumping. They can utilize their powerful hind legs to leap high when avoiding danger or searching for food. Especially when danger is approaching, rabbits have the ability to jump to safety in a split second. Rabbits have cleft lips that allow them to effectively bite into various plants. For example, when a rabbit eats grass, its lips separate on either side, allowing it to bite effectively. This is one of the unique physiological traits that helps rabbits survive in different environments and eat a wide variety of plants. Grassland areas with lots of grass and streams are a favorite habitat for many rabbits. It's easy to find food in grassy areas, and streams serve as a good source of water. Also, in forested areas, rabbits burrow under trees or seek protection under branches. Forests provide them with a natural habitat and are rich in plant diversity. In addition, some rabbits are also found in agricultural or urban areas. They get their food from crops or live in city parks and gardens. Rabbits live by digging burrows. These burrows are often shared by several rabbits and serve as a safe and comfortable place to live. Burrows often allow rabbits to hide from the dangers of enemies or provide protection in bad weather conditions. A rabbit burrow usually consists of several tunnels, each serving a different purpose. Some may be used to store food, while others may be used as a breeding site. Rabbits get most of their diet from grass and vegetation. Grass is one of their primary foods, and they usually find it in meadows and grassy areas. They also eat branches, leaves, and roots of grass to supplement their diet. Rabbits also eat the trunks and bark of trees to get fiber and nutrients from them. Eating parts of trees helps strengthen their teeth, which is useful for their intestines and digestive system. Some rabbits may eat grain from agricultural fields or livestock operations. Grains such as barley, corn, and wheat provide rabbits with additional carbohydrates and protein. In addition, a rabbit's diet can change with the seasons. In the winter, they may focus on grass or tree trunks, while in the spring or summer they'll eat plant shoots, leaves, and flowers. These changes help them survive by adapting to their surroundings. Rabbits are synonymous with premature ejaculation because their copulation is so quick and short. A rabbit's copulation takes less than 2 seconds. They piston, ejaculate, and collapse at an incredibly high rate of speed for about 2 seconds, but after a few seconds of rest, they can do it all over again. The rabbit's prodigious fertility also stems from its obsession with mating. The reason for this is that rabbits are at the lowest level of the ecological pyramid. So they are threatened by many predators during the mating process, which, from an evolutionary point of view, naturally leads to a shorter time. It's also sometimes compared to men having premature ejaculation. Rabbits breed frequently and can have multiple litters at a time. Rabbits have a relatively short gestation period, averaging between 28 and 35 days. This helps them reproduce quickly and grow their young quickly, resulting in multiple litters at a time. They can usually have anywhere from 4 to 12 litters at a time. Females have 2 uteruses and are capable of simultaneous pregnancies. Rabbit babies are born with their eyes closed, but they open them at about 10 days after birth. Rabbit babies grow rapidly in the short time after birth. After about 3 weeks, they begin to eat plant food instead of their mother's milk, and by about 6 weeks, they are able to live independently. They dig burrows, which they use as a safe place to breed, grow their young, and be protected from the dangers of enemies. Depending on the species, they also often share burrows, which helps them protect each other and raise their young together. The inner fur on the inside of a rabbit's large ears is primarily used for alertness. Rabbits are sensitive to sounds coming toward their ears, and they use their ear hairs to sense their surroundings to ward off danger from enemies. They may also use hoofbeats to warn other rabbits. This behavior is used for social communication, to detect danger or to alert other rabbits. Rabbits have a special way of keeping food in their mouths. We call this stacking brooms, and it serves as one of the rabbit's strategies for storing the food they need to survive and eat later. When rabbits hoard, they usually store the plants from their mouths into their burrows or other safe places. These stored plants are then used later when food is scarce. Especially when breeding season is approaching, this strategy is utilized by females to supplement their food supply during pregnancy. They typically gather food toward the snout, compressing it between the two cheeks. This food is then transported to a burrow or other safe location, or used in times of food shortage. This is one effective strategy for preparing for food shortages or extreme weather conditions in their natural environment. Many people keep rabbits as pets, and they are perceived as affectionate and loving companions. They show their affection to their owners with special behaviors such as vigorous tail wagging and jumping on their hands. Rabbits are also quiet, but they communicate with their owners through sounds, gestures, and tail wagging. Through their interactions, they help their owners understand their moods and form a bond that gives them a sense of security. Rabbits are often used symbolically in literature and art. For example, the white rabbit in Alice's Adventures represents the boundaries of time and entry into a strange world. And these symbols shape our imagination about rabbits. Also, in fairy tales and cartoons, rabbit characters are often portrayed as cute and whimsical. They have become beloved characters for children, and this creates a positive image of rabbits. In some areas, rabbit cafes are operated, and people enjoy relaxing while interacting with rabbits. The pet hugging trend is also bringing special attention to rabbits. As you can see, rabbits are fascinating in their unique features, cuteness, and relationship with humans. We've explored their unique behaviors, ecology, and cultural significance, and we're sure you've come away with a sense of how special and diverse they are. Rabbits are one of the most common animals we see around us, but don't you think they're even more special when you learn about their unique characteristics? We've shared some interesting facts about rabbits' cute behavior, ecology, reproduction and family structure, and their relationship with humans. We'd love for you to share in the comments any feelings or experiences you've had while interacting with or raising rabbits. Also, if you have any additional questions or facts about rabbits that you'd like to share, we'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.